Gikundi kia Atongoria kuma Nyeri gikinyitie kanitha-ini wa Kathoriki wa Ihua Gikubariri igongona ria gucokia ngatho ria MCA wa iria-ini David Kabatha. Ari hamwe na munini wa gavana wa Nyeri wa Kinaniri, atongoria aya maugite marugamite thutha wa munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua na kuga marenda thirikari ithie na mbere gwikirira tabarira cia ukuria na njira ya kururumura wonjoria na urimi.
We elected a government on agenda, transformative agenda. We promised our people that we are going to revive the economy, we are going to turn around the economy, and today we want to say that journey we've embarked on as a united front.
Na tukunyitirira Rigathi wa Gachagua makiendaga na matekwenda. Tone twi matirenda ahotane baleno ya kahwa na ya mashani. Tukumunyitirira makiendaga na matekwenda.
Rigathi wa Gachagua tunyitanite nake tagikwa na mukungugu. Na gutire mundu tabataraga thigari ciake cia kumurũgamagĩrĩra.
Gukiri uguo maugite munini wa president ndahititie akiendekithia meke ya mawira ma thirikari yabe igairwo andu aria mateithirie thirikari kuyukia uhotani githurano-ini kia mwaka muhituku.
Ithuĩ twithe twathurire thirikari ino ithe matia turumaga tukiuga William Ruto na Rigathi wa Gachagua. Hii maneno ya shares, kama mnapenda ama hampendi, hata Biblia inasema utavuna ulichopanda.
Mheshimiwa Rigathi wa Gachagua akirwira maundu megie kahwa iria na majani ni twi cartels itirakena na koguo ithu turamera twi guku Nyeri na twi guku Mathira turarugama na Mheshimiwa Rigathi wa Gachagua
ni vitina erethwo gatagati ga president na deputy wake na rugano ruu ni turui na mbero rutiguthie kuraihu na mbero si tuko pamoja.
Kugena kuo gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Baringo augite gutire na ngucanio o yothe gatagati ka munini wa president na President William Ruto.
The two gentlemen are just symbols, and I think it's time Kenya understood that we are not talking about individuals, we are talking about two communities that purposely during the daylight agreed that they would work together.
Akiuga aria maratheremia muhuhu ucio ni andu marenda kwiguna na ngucanio cia kiuteti.
Vita vya panzi huwa ni furaha ya kunguru. Kuna kunguru ambaye yuko pale anasubiri tupigane ndio aweze kushiba, lakini the truth of the matter is that the relationship between the president and the deputy president is firm.
At no point in time have we had the deputy president wavering about his commitment to the support of the president and the Kenya Kwanza administration.
Governor Kahiga aretie thutha wa igongona ria kiumia kanitha-ini wa African Inland Church AIC Kabarnet Baringo Central. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, Jetagwo Martin Munene.